In this step, you will submit your household information, such as name, phone numbers, as well as the physical address of your residence. To start, select the residence category on the first drop-down menu. The most common categories are permanent housing for renters or homeowners, foster family homes, or temporary shelter. The district of residence is the school district your physical address belongs to. If the mailing address is the same as the physical address, you may select Make Same as Physical Address. Remember to click on Save Household Information. You are now ready to move to the next step of the registration.